It's kind of driving me crazy. My number one tip: do a before gotten out of control. Hi you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a very much needed video today. At least I need this video desperately. I'm going to be taking you guys along my reset routine. Recently, I just kind of let my life pile up to a big mess, to be honest with you, and that's just not a good way to live, and I really noticed the way that it affects my mental health. So we are getting back on a lot of cleaning and a lot of self-care. I think this is a huge form of self-care. At least for me, I work and do so much better when my environment is clean and when I'm in like a happy overall environment. Like I just thrive the best. I'm actually on spring break this week, so I think this week's like the perfect week to do so. I already started. I went ahead and put my sheets and my pillowcases in the washer, and my number one tip is if you're doing any form of laundry to do another small task, that gives you like an hour to 45 minutes of time to do another task. So for instance, mine are in the washer right now, and while that's going on, I'm going to go ahead and clean the kitchen, and the kitchen will be clean by the time it's time to put it in the dryer. I used to like just kind of want to watch TV and watch Netflix or something, or scroll on my phone while those clothes are in the laundry, but it just makes it so much easier to get a task out of the way, and your cleaning process is going to go a lot smoother. So dogs are eating, if you guys can hear that, I'm sorry. But I wanted to show you a before of the stove. All right, and here we have the after. It's not perfect, but it looks way better, and we're working for better, not perfect today. It is done, nice and clean. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on the living room. My sheets are in the dryer, by the way, so I need to start a load of laundry and then work on the living room. The living room really isn't that bad either. I just need to pick up like all the dog toys and like the fluff from the dog toys and rearrange the couch, and I think that'll make the living room look so much better. And it'll probably only take me like 20 minutes. The big task that I have to do today is laundry. This has gotten out of control and I can't look at it anymore, so we're gonna take care of this for sure. I want to say, for those of you who have pets, the best thing that I think we ever did was get this little basket to put all of their toys in. Just makes everything very concise, all in one place. They can get the ones they want, and it just really works, and like it makes the living room so much cleaner. Take a very quick lunch break, and by we, I mean me, obviously. I am eating my leftovers that I had for dinner. This is a very small lunch, but I'm actually getting groceries delivered here pretty soon, so working with what we got here. 1 shrimp spring roll left, 3 chicken dumplings with a little bit of low sodium soy sauce. So this is lunch. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna eat. Saved my room and my bathroom for last because it is by far in the worst state. Looking at my depression room together. It's not that bad. It's definitely been worse. I can't really do anything about this right now, which is kind of driving me crazy because my friend wants to look through the clothes, but like they're there and they just need to leave. Put my sheets back on right now, make my bed, take out my trash, pick up my nightstand, just do an overall tidy up. And then my bathroom's not that bad, other than the laundry, which we are working on together. I needed to clean my toilet, take out my trash can, and like just tidy up a little bit. So that is the game plan. Let's get to it. I'm not looking forward. This is going to be my least favorite part, so we're just gonna get over with. We're gonna put my sheets back on my bed. I changed just because it got a little too warm, but now we're in my bathroom. As you can probably tell, I am 95% done with my room. I am currently doing a load of towels and washing my bath mats. This is where I keep my everyday products, the products that I reach for the most often. So like toothpaste, deodorant, sunscreen, you can kind of tell. Just like put stuff back in its spot.
Like this needs to go, here, let's, that goes there.
These are like all my like skincare products mostly. Cetaphil, cleanser, and moisturizer out, and then just some masks and stuff like that in there. That's pretty much the way I like it. So that's good to go. This foundation needs to be put back. Keep my makeup in here. Keep all of my everyday makeup in here so I don't have to like reach for things constantly. So keep my probiotic and my melatonin out on the counter. I reach for those. Well, probiotic every day, melatonin a lot. Band-Aid needs to go back in here. And that looks so much better already. Now we're just gonna wipe everything down. We are pretty much done here with the cleaning. All I really have to do is a few more loads of laundry, but I don't think you guys want to see me do laundry every single load. Like, that just gets a little boring. Go ahead and in this video here with some after clips. Once I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some after clips. Hopefully this gives you guys some cleaning motivation. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye guys!